A few Kent of Guam up the front there, taking the lead. We're now 5 laps to go. The men's 10,000 meters final.
It looks as though the small group of 4 athletes are now fighting out for 2 medals, silver and the bronze. And it's all on and starting to get very, very serious. But of course, the leader way out in front, you get from Guam. I think we could give him the gold medal already.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is now a call for athletes in event number 2, the women's 10,000 meters. Athletes in event number 2, the women's 10,000 meters. If you can please now report to the marshalling area. A call for athletes in event number 2, the women's 10,000 meters. If you can please report.
Well, it now looks as if the little group behind the leader is broken up. And the second and third runners have made their presence felt. But they've got they have 2 runners behind who are trying to close the gap. The race for the medals is definitely very serious, and with very few laps to go, I think you're going to see a very rapid increase in pace.
You can bet and the lead. This is now 3 laps to go, 3 more laps to go in the men's 10,000 meters final. Two more laps to go, ladies and gentlemen. The men's 10,000 meters, the new Kent of Guam up the front there, and just behind him, Solomon Islands.
Yeah, it looks like he's
One lap to go. The bell signals the last 400 meters for you, Kent from Guam. Ireland in second and third. Although there could be a little bit of interest in this final lap as the PMG runner tries to make a special effort to get the bronze medal. Yes, he's accelerated past, so it looks as if it will be number one, Ken from Guam, Solomon Islands number two, and it remains to be seen, but it looks as if it's Papua New Guinea to get the bronze medal. Unicago was a bronze medal for Papua New Guinea, GJ from Solomon Islands, silver, and of course, Ken from Guam to get the gold. We now wait to see what time it is. That was a very strong win for the favourite in this event, and we're now going to get ready for the women's 25-lap extravaganza, the women's 10,000 metres final. Those who were in Honiara for the last Pacific Games will know the name of Natanya Tan. She will be one of the favourites.